In this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your video clip in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, currently, this is a normal speed for this video track, and I'd like to go ahead and make it faster. As you can see here, you have the speed of your video track indicated, and you'd like to go ahead and make this 2 times faster. To do that, it is quite simple. Just add your video to your timeline and then click on this edit. Now from edit, you will see your video settings is here. Go ahead and choose this option called speed. Now under it, you can see the speed, and currently it is set to 1, which is the normal speed. To make it much faster, go ahead and increase this. And for my case, I want to make it 2 times faster, so I'll increase this to 2 like that. And look at that, this has shrinked the video clip on my timeline. And if I go ahead and play it, you can see it is now much faster. It is 2 times faster than it initially was. So if I zoom in, you can see it is 2 times fast. It is no longer normal. So you can increase this to any speed that you wish. And if you want to lower it, you can just go ahead and reverse it, and it will make your video much longer but much slower. So that's how you can speed up your video in Filmora video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.